Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy A35 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays to select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung Galaxy A35 and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android device. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files you wish to transfer. Now hit Send next to selected, hit Got It, and decide which connection way you want to use. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. If you want to input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and tap on Receive. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!